सच प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जूम पे ही हो रहा है प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आजकल.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Rohit Sharma, who's the vice captain of the Indian cricket team, and he's also the man of the match today. He's here to address the press conference. Please raise hand and wait for your turn. Yes, Amol, and then Surandan sir, and then Rasesh, then K.R. Nair sir.
Rohit, what is it that changed suddenly? Was it the change in the venue or the fact that there is only one approach now on, that you just have to go for it, go for the kill, be with the bat or the ball?
Yeah, to be honest, it's very much that kind of a situation for us. We know that if we lose any game from here on now, we are out of the tournament. So we have to win everything. And when you are in that kind of situation, you have to play fearlessly, not think too much about what is happening or what is happening elsewhere. So I think the approach today from everyone was different, and I mean, I wish it was in the first two games as well, but it didn't happen. But that can happen when you are on the road for a long time. Decision making sometimes can be a problem, and that is exactly what happened in the first two games. We are a very good team. It's just that we were not good on that particular day, against Pakistan and New Zealand. But yes, today the game we played, it's pretty much sums it up that this is the kind of team we are, and when we play fearlessly, this is what we get.
रोहित, इसी से जुड़ा सवाल है कि इतने साल आप क्रिकेट खेले हो, मेहनत होती है, प्लानिंग होती है, लेकिन कभी क्रिकेट में जो एग्जीक्यूशन है वो होता है, कभी नहीं होता है. ये इसके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो कि क्यों होता है ऐसे? कभी आपने जिक्र किया है इसका?
नहीं, अभी देखिए जिस तरीके से जितना क्रिकेट हम लोग खेल रहे हैं और जिस तरीके का लाइफ अभी चल रहा है, समटाइम्स थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू आर ऑन द फील्ड यू हैव टू मेक राइट डिसीजन. हमेशा आप जब ग्राउंड पे जाओगे आपको सही डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है, तो उसके लिए आपका माइंड और मेंटल एस्पेक्ट जो है वो फ्रेश रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे हमारे से वो डिसीजन मेकिंग जो था वो ठीक से हो नहीं पाया ग्राउंड पर, चाहे वो बैटिंग की आप बात कर लो या बॉलिंग की बात कर लो. तो ये सब चीज़ें होती है जब आप काफ़ी क्रिकेट खेलते हो. एक मेंटली आपको गेम से थोड़ा दूर जाना ज़रूरी है, थोड़ा सा माइंड रिफ़्रेश करना ज़रूरी है. बट अगेन जब आप वर्ल्ड कप खेलते हो आपका पूरा फोकस गेम पे होना चाहिए. आपको ध्यान लगाना चाहिए कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. बट वो पहले दो गेम में हो नहीं पाया, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम सडनली ख़राब प्लेयर हो गए या ख़राब टीम हो गए. कंसिस्टेंटली हमने क्रिकेट अच्छा खेला हुआ है इतने सालों से, तो एक या दो गेम अगर ख़राब होता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सारे प्लेयर ख़राब है और सारी टीम ख़राब है, जो टीम को चला रहे वो ख़राब है. समटाइम्स थोड़ा यू हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट कि क्या हुआ, क्या गलतियाँ हुई, एंड देन यू कम बैक. तो अभी हमने ये मैच में वही किया, जो भी गलतियाँ हमने पिछली दो गेमों में किया था, हमने कोशिश किया कि ये गेमों में ना हो, आने वाले गेमों में ना हो. ग्राउंड पे हम जा ही सकते हैं, हमारे हाथ में यही है कि गलतियां जो है वो कम से कम किया जाए, क्योंकि आप जब गेम खेल रहे हो, इतना प्रेशर वाला गेम खेल रहे हो, गलतियां होंगी, बट कोशिश ये रहती है कि गलती कम हो.
Rohit, a couple of things. How satisfying was it to get as many runs that you got against Rashid Khan as a team, and personally as well, those couple of sixes stepping down against him, just that phase of the match? And secondly, your reactions to BCCI announcing Rahul Dravid as the new head coach, just joining hands with him, looking ahead.
Yeah, I mean, firstly, it was important for us to get off to a good start. If we talk about our batting, which didn't happen in the first two games, that's where we struggle a little bit to create that momentum in the first 6 overs. So there was a conscious effort. We were talking, myself and KL, we were talking about it, that we need to get a team a good start, and how we can do that is by playing our game, whatever that may be, however we want to play. But yeah, we took our chances. Sorry, we took our chances in the middle. It came off. So that's the whole game. I mean, you take your chances. It comes off. It comes off. If it doesn't come off, you have to start again from the scratch. The batter who comes in has to start again from the scratch. And we wanted to take some risk because it was important for us when the power play is going on. You try and make the best use of that, and we took our chances. It came off, and yeah, I would. Is it official? Oh, we're playing the game, so I had no idea. Congratulations to him for coming back, but in different capacity in the Indian team. We look forward to working with him. He's a stalwart of Indian cricket, and it'll be nice working with him in the future.
Rohit, is it an answer to that the batting first or the pitch doesn't play a role in a positive approach? Do you think so?
I mean, see, when you post a total like that, you can take the pitch, the conditions, the dew factor out of the play. If you bat like that, if you keep getting consistently 200, which is a very, very challenging one to do. In Dubai, I mean, we've seen the teams who have batted first have not scored as many runs as they would like to. But definitely dew plays a big part in the second innings. The ball tends to come nicely compared to what happens in the first inning. It just grips a little more because of the dryness in the pitch. But it's definitely a factor and an advantage to the team batting second. But as long as we keep batting like that, we get 200. We don't have to worry about the pitch and the conditions.
Please introduce yourself.